Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial I would like to demonstrate you an Icelandic bind off method. So this method is perfect for a garter stitch projects as it leaves a rolled edge compared to the braids that you will get after the usual bind off method. It is pretty stretchy and can be used for their socks and sweaters as well. So let me show how it works. First of all, you're going to insert your needle in this way, like you're going to purl and knit through the next stitch. So knit it. You drop the yarn and pull it between first and the second stitch. And now pull both stitches off the needle and return. And that's what you're going to do. So poke through the stitch, then knit through the, let me show you one more time. Poke through this stitch, then you kind of pick up the next one and knit through. And now drop 2 stitches of the needle. Return the stitch to the left hand needle and repeat. Insert the needle, pick up the next stitch, drop and pull through and drop. Return and let's do it again. Poke through the stitch, pick up the next one, yarn over and pull through, drop and return. And again. In between and return. Insert, pick up, rub the yarn and pull through. And now let's check what do we have. You see the edge is rolled a little bit and you cannot even understand that they were bind off here as it looks like the garter stitch. And pull through. Let's do it one more time. And in between and drop. Return. So this method is easy and it was even new for me. Now look how great it looks together with garter stitch. So if you're knitting the same scarf as I'm doing, use this method and you will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was really useful for you as for me. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I see you soon. Bye!